Very good morning, student. This is Sonal Gedam from the chemistry department. So, as in last lecture, we already discussed about the entropy changes of an ideal gas. There is a what happened? The change in the temperature and pressure, which is related to change in the temperature and pressure and the volume. And this last lecture, we also derived the one equation, that is the entropy change of an ideal gas with a change in the temperature and volume, with a change in the temperature and volume, and this is the fourth equation. So the equation is what? Delta S is equal to Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1. So this expression said that, or evident that, this entropy change delta S is nothing but what? The entropy change, which is what? The change in the temperature and volume, that is the initial temperature, final temperature, initial volume, final volume. This is what the previous equation, and which is depend upon the temperature and the volume. Means the entropy is ultimately what? The state function of the temperature and volume. So today we are again derive the equation for change in the entropy of an ideal gas for temperature and pressure. अगर सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर चेंज होता है, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ एंट्रोपी? एंट्रोपी के ऊपर क्या असर होगा? अगर एक आधा सिस्टम है, वहां पे क्या करेंगे अपन? वो सिस्टम में कुछ प्रोसेस हो रही है, वो प्रोसेस का अगर अपन ने क्या करे, या पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम का टेम्परेचर या प्रेशर चेंज कर देंगे या फिर वॉल्यूम चेंज कर देंगे, सो देयर इज ए व्हाट हैपन टू एंट्रोपी? एंट्रोपी बढ़ेंगी कि कम होंगी, या फिर एंट्रोपी की वैल्यू क्या रहेंगी? सो वी विल गॉट फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, सो फर्दर वी विल derive that equation. Okay, so this is the fourth equation, and for this new equation, for this equation we require this first one equation. Okay, so fourth number equation is what? Delta S is equal to Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1. So for that we know, for the ideal gas, P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So therefore we can write in the form of this equation, that is the V2 upon V1 is equal to T2 upon T1 into T1 upon T2. So we will get one value, that is the V2 upon V1. We have to put this value in the fourth equation. Fourth equation where you have to just put this value. So what we get the equation? Delta S is equal to Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln T2 upon T1 into P1 upon P2. T2 upon T1 into. So we can write this equation in the form of delta S is equal to Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln P1 upon P2. Again, here is what happened. We can write in the form of minus form, means वहां पे अपन माइनस अगर कर देते हैं, so we have to write P2 upon P1. So we can write in the form of this also, but for further we require only plus form. Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln T2 upon T1 plus R minus R ln P2 upon P1. This is also correct, but we will continue for this equation. Okay, this equation is also correct, minus sign is also correct, so we can write in the form of same, that is the T2 upon T1, T2 upon T1, P2 upon P1, but we use what? That is this equation, which is very convenient for us, that is this equation convenient for us for next calculation. Okay, so this equation, that is this equation can be written as, again we put the common, delta S is equal to Cv plus R and ln into in bracket T2 upon T1 plus R ln into in bracket P1 upon P2 we use the first one equation. This equation also correct, minus R ln, but you have to write the P2 upon P1. Okay, so the next equation is what? Here is what happened again, the CV plus R, the what? As per the definition of heat capacity, that is the Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So Cv plus R is equal to Cp. So put this value, that is the Cv plus R value, that is the Cp in equation what? That is this one equation. Okay, whatever you have to give number, that is the value number यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं अपन. So delta S is equal to Cp ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln P1 upon P2, and this is the well-known equation for what? किसके लिए है? That is the change in delta S is what? Change in entropy for an ideal gas at what? There is a change in temperature and pressure. You have to see here the what? That is the pressure term. So, and Cp is what? That is the heat capacity at constant pressure. And this is what? This is Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This is the relation between the heat capacity at constant pressure, heat capacity at constant volume. And from this relation, we will get the value of what? That is Cv plus R, and ultimately we put the value of the Cv plus R, that is the Cp. And this is the final equation, gives the idea about the entropy change for an ideal gas with a change in the what? That is the temperature and pressure. Initial temperature, initial pressure, final temperature, final pressure. So no doubt that is the entropy, it is the state function of temperature and pressure, as like the we also saw in previous lecture, delta S is equal to TV. So there are the three type of question asked in your exam. Meaning is same, but they ask like that, what? The entropy change of an ideal gas with a change in the temperature and pressure, temperature and volume. As the there is what? Calculation of the entropy change of an ideal gas with the temperature, pressure and volume. And also entropy is the state function for temperature and pressure and temperature and volume. These three equation or three form of questions are meaning same. Okay, so this is the equation. So this equation is consist of, finally, this is the change in entropy, and this is Cp is what? Cp is where Cp is heat capacity at constant for the entropy change, which is Tp and Tv. So suppose we will what? From the first, delta S is equal to Cv ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1. After that, we just find out the value of what? V2 upon V1. We know for the ideal gas, we can write in the form of P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So from this equation, we will get the V2 upon V1 is equal to T2 upon T1 into P1 upon P2. After that, putting this value, we write in the form of two forms. Suppose we write the minus form, we have to write this term minus R ln P2 upon P1. So suppose we put as it is plus R ln P1 upon P2. So from this we will get the final equation, that is the delta S is equal to Cp ln T2 upon T1 plus R ln V2 upon V1. And these two equation, the previous equation and the today's equation, state that the entropy change of an ideal gas for the system which is depend upon only two variable out of three variable at one time. The first is what? It may be it is temperature and pressure and temperature and volume. Never it is what? That is the temperature, pressure and volume. एक ही साथ तीनों पे depend नहीं रह सकती है. Only there is a what happen? Only temperature or pressure, temperature and pressure and temperature and volume. And in next lecture, we will discuss about the entropy change for an isothermal process and the isocuric, isobaric and adiabatic process. So thank you so much, student.